My name is Kendra Kabungan from grade 2 Hope. Did you know that we can make a raw egg buns? Let's do it! Vinegar, put the egg inside. You can see the immediate reaction.
24 hours later.
Time's up! We need to wear gloves first. Let's wash the egg. Let's dry the egg using the tissue paper. After drying the egg, let's check if it bounced. It bounced! It also makes a great light effect. Let's break it. It is still a raw egg. Because of the acidity of the vinegar, the eggshell is dissolved. Thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is Feliz Eliza E. Ramirez from grade 2 Hope. This is my science experiment. Keep on watching. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hi guys, my name is Janela and today I'm gonna show you a simple experiment about surface tension. So we will need a needle, a bowl with water, and a liquid detergent. We will put a needle in the water. Let's see if it will float floats. So let's put a liquid detergent near the needle and see what happens. And it sinks. The reason needle floats in water is due to surface tension. Water has a very strong surface tension. That molecules stick together. Adding a detergent breaks the surface tension and weakens the band and needle sink. My name is Edrifa Alexandria M. Duya, grade 3 Love. Today I'm going to present how to produce carbon dioxide. Here are the ingredients: baking soda and vinegar. In this experiment, we will produce carbon dioxide gas in the form of bubbles or in foam. This is by adding sodium bicarbonate or simply baking soda, acetic acid, or vinegar. In doing this experiment, observe the carbon dioxide gas in the form of bubbles or foam.
This is how to make carbon dioxide and the items that we need. First, we have to pour small amount of vinegar and add the baking soda and put the baking soda in. And boom, we have made carbon dioxide.
Ito pong tubig na po ito na may food coloring po, lalagay ko po dito. Ayan po. Tsaka po tatakpan po natin. Basta tumaas po yung tubig. Ayan po, makikita nyo po na tumataas po yung tubig. Tsaka po yung mga natubig po dito nawawala unti po.
My name is Latina from grade 3. Today we're going to make a raining cotton balls. You will need a plastic bottle, cotton balls, a clear cup, and color dye. Step 1. Add cotton balls and place on the top of a bottle. Step 2. Pour the water. As soon as the cotton gets heavy, it will start raining water. It applies in actual cloud formation. When water evaporates from the sky, it cools down and changes into tiny water droplets. Cover the cup to stop because the upward air pressure is actually stronger than the gravity pulling the liquid down.
Hello guys, today I will show you an experiment about changes in matter. The materials we need are vinegar, bottle, baking soda, and balloon. I put the baking soda inside the balloon. The vinegar and baking soda create an electrification two base which and two chemical work together and create a gas called carbon dioxide. Gases need space to mass and therefore it moves into the balloons and inflate in.
In this experiment, we just need a balloon, vinegar, and baking soda, and empty bottle. You see, we will blow the balloon using a bottle.
slowly. Did it rise up? Not yet. Make it rise up. Some more. Oh, see? It's rise up now. Come on, put it. Oh, you hold the balloon.
In which the chemical reaction of the vinegar in a baking soda makes up carbon dioxide or gas that will make the balloon expand.
I am Julian Jeff Castillo, grade 4. This is my 60 seconds science experiment. I put water on a tray and put a piece of paper on the water. The paper did not move, but when I added a small amount of liquid soap, the surface tension of the water breaks down and creates enough force to push the paper across the surface.
Science hack that you didn't know. Before we go on our experiment, I will share my explanation first. Refraction is the bending of light. It also happens with sound, water, and other waves, as it passes from one transparent substance into another. This bending by refraction makes possible for us to have lenses, magnifying glass, prisms, and rainbow. Even our eyes depend upon this bending of light, and that's light refraction. This is the materials that we're gonna use. Now let's get into our experiment. So first we're gonna pour the water. And then we need same direction of arrow. Then we're gonna put the paper. And you see the magic. Hope you learned something new. Bye-bye!
We have 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Do you know what this is? Liquid or solid? It's hard to get it off. Well, this is oobleck, a non-Newtonian fluid. It acts as liquid when it's resting and acts as solid when put on a pressure. It can withstand punches and also hits from a hammer. It's fun and easy. Just mix water, cornstarch, and a few drops of food coloring. Try it. It's fun.
Hi, I'm Scientist Wenzel, and I'm gonna show you how candle vacuum works. So, let's begin. First, we put water in the bowl. Then, cover the candle with the glass and wait for the magic. When the air in the glass is depleted of oxygen, lights out. Heat from the candle made the air inside the candle quite hot, and hot air expands to take more space. When the flame is out, the air starts to cool, and that means it's shrinking again. That produces a partial vacuum, the area of low pressure.
Hello everyone, I'm Shane, and today we are going to do an experiment. Things needed: 2 glasses of water, table salt, 2 calamansi. First, drop the calamansi in a glass of water. As you can see, it is sinking because the density of the calamansi is higher than the density of water. On the other glass of water, put 2 tablespoons of salt and stir until the salt dissolves completely. Drop the other calamansi in the glass of water with salt. As you can see, it is floating because the density of the calamansi is lesser than the density of the salt water. Adding salt makes the water more dense, so the calamansi can displace its weight. In salt water, the buoyant force exceeds the gravitational force.
I'm Shane Young, Arabedes from grade 4 Joy. I hope you learned from my short experiment. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone! Today we're gonna make a lava lamp. And these are the materials to use. We have our cooking oil, water, food coloring, and effervescent tablet. First we're gonna pour a little water. Effervescent tablet. And here's the magic tablet. And that's all for today. Bye guys!
All you need is container, straw, head, pencil, dishwashing soap. Surface tension, pull sub-thread into a round loop.
A stake.
Procedures. Pour some water into a bowl. Coloring your water. Some food coloring is an optional step. Sprinkle some pepper into the surface of the water. Dip your finger into the dish soap. Place your finger in the center of the bowl in the water. Watch as the pepper quickly scatters to the edge of the water on the plate. Did you know that pepper is hydrophobic or doesn't dissolve or mix?
What makes jumping beans jump? Jumping beans are made to jump by the action of little insects inside. The beans are the long seed of certain Mexican shrubs. It contains the larvae or caterpillars of a small species of moth with the large scientific name of Carpocaps saltitans. The second of these two Latin words means jumping. The larvae are stirred into movement by warmth, and it is this activity that makes the beings jump.
Astig.
Sa eksperimentong ito, kailangan natin ng Mentos at Coke. Buksan ang Coke at lagay ang Mentos. Buksan ang Coke at lagay ang Mentos. Yun lamang ang eksperimento. Sana ito'y nagustuhan nyo. Paalam!
How to do a bubble inside a bubble? Here's the things you need: a bowl, a glass of water, a shampoo, a dishwasher soap, a clean straw, and a plate. First, put the water on the bowl. Second, put the shampoo in the bowl with the water. Third, put the soap and mix it well. If you're done mixing it, put a soap in your straw and try to make a bubble in your plate. And that's how you make a bubble in a bubble. That's all. Bye! paper, marker, glass, and water. Draw two things. Drawing one is facing left and at the top, while drawing two is facing right at the bottom. Place the paper on the wall and place the glass cup on the surface. Add water on the transparent glass cup and watch the two arrows. How does this magic work? Because the light can travel as quickly in a dense substance, the water, as it does in the air. The light bends more towards the normal line. Dotted line drawn perpendicular to the surface of the refracting material, glass. Glue, spoon, activator, instant snow, and diligence. First is nilalagay tayo ng glue. Hindi ko po nalagay yung video na naglagay ako ng glue kasi hindi ko So, after glue, lagyan ng 1 tablespoon of activator. If maglalagay tayo ng activator hanggang sa maging fluffy ng slime. Then, mix it. After you mix it, maglalagay tayo ng slime cream. Now, gagamitin natin yung instant.
So what exactly is going on that video? You see, the arrow changes direction from right to left. So what we see is called light refraction. It occurs because light bends when it passes through substances such as waters and plastic. As the light travels through a substance, it becomes more concentrated into a focal point, usually near the center. After light passes through the focal point, the rays cross over each other and cause image to appear. That's why the arrow changes direction. Thank you.
If you combine vinegar or baking soda and uncooked rice, you can make a dancing rice effect. But how does this happen? Let me tell you. When vinegar and baking soda are first mixed together, hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda. And create the bubbles and movement you see from the rice and the vinegar. It also forms chemical reaction. After combining the vinegar and baking soda reacted and formed into gas, these gas bubbles don't like to be stuck in liquid, so they float to the top to escape into the air. As the bubbles float up, they bring the rice with them, and that makes the rice dancing.
Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to do a cool science trick with me and my cousin.
The first thing you need to do is to put a little amount of hand sanitizer in the plate. Next is to light with the lighter the hand sanitizer in the plate. Be careful. As you can see the fire because the light is on. Now I am going to test it. Look! It has a fire on the paper towel. Cool, right? Now let's put it in the water. Here is a clip that you can see the fire in the hand sanitizer when it is dark. Thank you for watching.
Are you ready to learn another exciting experiment? Make sure to have parental guidance, protective gears, and take precautionary measures. These are the materials needed: drinking glass, H2O or water, 9 volts battery, sodium chloride or salt. First, add an adequate amount of water to your glass. Second, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Third, stir. Fourth, soak the battery to your solution. Fifth, notice the chemical reaction. This is happening because of the presence of sodium chloride. Sodium acts as a physical evidence that there is a reaction between the battery and salt and water solution, which is the form of bubbles called electrolysis. This breaks down the salt. Because sodium is highly reactive, which makes the battery much more easily discharged. If you will observe longer, the water will have a green foamy particles which represents hydrogen and chloride gas.
Hi! And now I'm going to show you how Japanese do multiplication. Draw sets of parallel lines representing each digit of the numbers. Then separate this into 3 separate zones like this. Then count how many times the lines intersect and count the point of intersections and write the number under the circle. With this one, we got 156. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye!
My name is Greg. I will show you simple tricks in solving multiplication in art. 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 9 times 5, 9 times 6, 9 times 7, 9 times 8, 9 times 9, 9 times 10. Next, write 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then from the bottom, write 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Guys, my name is Janella and today I'm going to show you a simple math trick. Subtract from 1000. Subtract every number except the last from 9 and subtract the final number from 10. Example, 1000 minus 556. Step 1. Subtract 5 from 9 equals 4. Step 2. Subtract 5 from 9 equals 4. And lastly, subtract 6 from 10 equals 4. The answer is 444. Thanks for watching. Bye! Good day, I am Rafael Alexandria M. Duya. Today I will show you an easy technique to multiply. This is called finger math. Example, 7 times 7. The fingers that are above are to use multiply, while the fingers below is to be counted by 10. Then add the product of the fingers that are above. 3 times 3 equals 9. And the sum of the fingers below, the answer is 49.
My name is Alice Natalie Evangelista, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the divided by. So, for example, 50 divided by 10. In 50, we need to count 10 balls 5 times. Therefore, there are 5 tenths in 50. So the answer is number 5.
Hi everyone, my name is Athena from grade 3. Now I'm going to show you a multiplication technique. First, write 3 underlines beside the number. Second, multiply the first number to the first number. 5 times 1 equals 5. Next is multiply the second number to the second number. 1 times 1 equals 1. Next is multiply the second number to the first number. 1 times 1 equals 1. Next is multiply the first number to the second number. 5 times 1 equals 5. Equals 6. Now you got your answer.
Nine times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27.
times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 equals 90. Thank you.
Math hacks that you didn't know. So I'm gonna teach you zero cancel technique. All you wanna do is cancel all of these zero and then multiply 7 times 11. So the answer is 77. And we have 3 zeros. All we're gonna do is put them here. And there you have it. I'm gonna teach you another math hack. I'm gonna teach you 11 additional technique. So probably if you multiply it will take a minute. But I got an easy way hack for you. Just copy the 42 and leave a space here and then add this. And the answer is 6. And there you have it. Thank you for watching my math hacks. Bye-bye!
Who wants a cake? We have to divide it so each one gets a piece.
In mathematics, we call this piece of cake a fraction. How do we get a fraction? A fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. It consists of a numerator and denominator. The numerator represents the number of equal parts of a whole. The denominator is the total number of parts. Fraction equals the number of select parts over the total numbers of parts. The fraction representing my piece of cake equals the number of slices I will eat over the number of all the slices equals 1 over 4 or 1/4.
I hope you learned something about fractions. This is Saint Johan Arabidas grade 4 and see you.
You know about line segments? If not, I will explain about line segments. The example of line CX. Example of line segment CX. Of ray CX.
Math Hack 101. Topic: Calculating percentage the easiest way. What is 10% of 80? 1 times 8 equals 8. So that's 8. What is 30% of 50? So 3 times 5 equals 15. So that's 15. What is 70% of 100? 7 times 10 equals 70. So that's 70.
Hey guys, we're going to do some subtraction hacks. We minus these two numbers both. Only one. Minus them one. Then put them here. 2 minus 9, you get a 7. 5 minus 9, 4. 4 minus 9, 5. Drop 1, you get 1,547. There you go. That is your hack.
Hi, I'm Jude, and today I'm going to teach you about the finger multiplication trick. It's a pretty simple trick, but some people don't understand it, so I'm here to teach you about it. First, assign your fingers with their numbers in this pattern. Same with the other hand. The numbers are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that you have your fingers assigned with their numbers, you're ready to do the multiplication. First, pick your numbers like 7 times 8. The fingers you're holding up will be combined together, and then you now have the first number in your answer. Now the rest of the fingers, multiply them, and then there is the second number of your answer. I hope you understand and learn something new, and thank you for listening.
Hi guys, today we're going to talk about expanded form. The expanded form is like 205,600. Hey! And the standard form is 200,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 4,000. Identical example. This one will look like this one. This one is expanded form.
Math Talk, math simple hacks and techniques. Easy and fast way to multiply any number by 15. Example 1. Example 2. Easy way to remember multiples of 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can remember the value of pi by counting each word's letters in May I Have a Large Container of Coffee.
X squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Mahirap naman ng math. Paano ulit to? Paano na kaya kung wala ng math? Wala ng math. Wala ng math. It means no time, no money, no transportation, no medicine, no buildings, and no gadgets. Math is equal for science, engineering, technology, and many more. All that comforts us today is because of math. Without math, life would be pretty miserable, no matter how hard math is.
How to do Japanese multiplication. Let's try 32 times 21. Put a line according to the number diagonally. Do the same at 21, but the other side. Now count how many times they crossed each other. Here is our answer. And this is how we do the Japanese multiplication. Thank you.
What is too steep? Should I go there?
So for today's topic is all about calculus. Imagine you're in a camping and you want to climb across the mountain. But the thing is, 1 mile away from you is too steep. And you want to know how steep that is for you to decide if you will go or not. This is the time we will use the calculus. The circle part can express as an equation. For example, y is equals to x cubed. The first thing to do in calculus is to find what we call derivative. Get the exponent and multiply it in the front. So it's y is equals to 3x, and then we subtract the 1 from the exponent, so we'll get 2. Therefore, the derivative is 3x squared. Tada! You just did calculus! But we still need to know how steep the mountain is, so we need to plug 1 mile away from me into x, so 3 times 1 squared is just 3. So the steepness of the mountain is just 3 units of height over distance, and that's about 72 degrees, and I think that is too steep. Thanks for listening!
Hi, I'm Albert Einstein. I developed the theory of relativity, expressed as equals mc squared. Hi, I'm Beatrice Ayon. I developed a systematic method for reducing flux based on knowledge of biochemistry physics.
Nobody else can do this job because they got too much feeling.
Oatmeal, nutmeg, yeast, eggplant, fat, additive, oil, salt, open, apple. And a box chocolate. And again. Because luck. And then are let's jump. 5 p.m. This is 5 ugly. And I love me. My name is Victoria Diana Bimagaway, and I will be portraying Marie Curie. My name is Marie Curie. My work on X-rays helped establish the field of physics. I was the first person in the history who won 2 Nobel Prizes. Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Seeger. I am Canadian and American. I am astronomer and planetary scientist. I have discovered 715 planets. The solar planets are planets outside the solar system. You can view the list exoplanet.nasa.gov. Thank you and have a good day.
Hi,
Hi,
my name
my name
is Dr.
Dr.
Fe del Mundo.
Del Mundo.
I am
I am
a doctor
a doctor
and a scientist.
and a scientist.
I founded
I founded
the first Pedia Hospital
Pedia Hospital
in the Philippines.
in the Philippines.
I was
I was
the first woman
first woman
to be named
to be named
as National
as National
Scientist
Scientist
of the Philippines.
of the Philippines.
I was
I was
the first woman
first woman
to be accepted
to be accepted
into
into
Harvard
Harvard
Medical School.
Medical School.
I also
I also
designed
designed
and invented
invented
a low-cost
a low-cost
incubator
incubator
made of bamboo.
made of bamboo.